Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel Stockholm. First of all, sorry for being away for a very long time. I was busy with my job and my career in IT as a software engineer. So I'm back now and I have done my research and have many new topics at hand. So today we are going to discuss one such topic. Today we are going to discuss how one can have a very systematic approach um, in entering stock market and have better chances of succeeding at it and rather failing without too many risk and having have profit percentage. So many of us want to start investing, want to enter the stock market, but they don't know how to do it, how to systematically do it. So here's a thorough thought approach of how to enter the stock markets. First of all, we have to start small to achieve big. All the great things that you see in this world have not been built over a day or a period of week or so, and also they have started small and have built it day by day, inch by inch, and then you see what you see today, that so and so thing has turned so big and is working at such huge stature. So let's start. First of all, keep a capital of rupees 10,000, and with this 10,000 what you can do is that you can invest in mutual funds, which is the safest of the options to do. And for this, to be able to invest in the mutual funds, there's an app called ET Money. This is not a product placement, guys. I've just come across this app and I found it really useful, so I'm asking you, please go and check it out. Here you it's pretty simple and pretty easy. This is, you can download this app and you can go and check it out, and you will find that you can shop for mutual funds, and you can make SIPs, you can do one-time investment. There's a lot of stuff. If you go and check this app out, you will get to know for it yourself. And then the next thing you want to start is start watching market news for 3 months. Now you can do this by the many portals, many sites have come now. There's one such site called Economic Times. Now I've been following this for pretty long time now, and these guys have some good news coverage, and so anything and everything related to the business you can find it here, and just go and spend some time daily here, um, and you'll be good. Just keep track for the market news for the 3 months, so that you get in that zone of getting familiar with the market. Now the first thing and the most important thing is patience. So don't haste, just be willing to give time to the acquiring knowledge of this market, and then definitely will earn. Now next thing is read a good book on investing. Now there are many books. What I would recommend you to first read is Parag Parek's Stocks to the Riches, cause this is very basic and very simple language has been used in this book to make the reader understand what the share market is all about, and how one can control our emotions, and don't let uh, our emotions conquer us, and rather make systematic investments so that one can reap benefits in the longer period of time. Now next is, you have to, once you have invested your money, track your mutual funds, you have daily updates, look at your mutual funds daily, and make sure that your funds are performing according to expectations. If not, then shift the money or take out the money, whatever you want to do you can do, but just track your mutual funds. Have some time at your hand to do that, and be completely aware of how the market is performing, how your mutual funds are performing. Don't give a blind eye to the money that you have invested. And uh, After that, if you have still got money at your hand, then start investing in blue chip companies. Mostly Nifty 50 companies are blue chip companies, so you can pick any of the company stocks and randomly invest in that. There are high chances that their index would definitely increase and give you benefits in the longer run. And the next thing is the technical analysis of the stock market. Now technical analysis of the stock market is a pretty important thing, but having said that, there is very this is a very vast topic and there is much to read and do here. So there are many books also available and many YouTube channels which teach and talk about this topic. Don't go for the tricks and tips and the channels which tell you that you will make so and so money in so and so time. That won't really help. If you really want to do technical analysis, just read about it and acquire as much knowledge as possible. Don't blindly put your money in the stock market because so and so technical tool is saying or asking you to do so. Just go through the technical tool and then check for yourself. Do paper trading. Paper trading is like a dummy trading, putting the numbers on paper and seeing if your analysis is correct or not. Don't put real money unless you are completely sure, and don't do trading as such. Invest your money in mutual funds and long-term investments which are really safe and won't wipe out your capital in one go. Now next is keep 5,000 of funds in your demat account and start intraday trading. After your paper trading is success rate of 30%. Don't haste and don't do intraday trading on the first hand. First learn, keep a track record of the stock market for the 3 months. Stock market is going nowhere, guys, so don't haste and don't put your hard-earned money in the stock market, and don't risk yourselves of getting bankrupt or losing your money. So do that. Do paper trade, and only after a success rate of 20-30% come and put real money, that too only 5,000 rupees, again not more than that. With 5,000 you can easily get leverage and you can trade if ever you want to. And intraday trading should be done only on occasion. It is not everyday game, so keep that in mind and have some patience and discipline, and don't haste and put your hard-earned money at risk. Read reports of the big brokerage houses. This is one other important thing that I would like to share with you guys. Read as much as you can reports. This site is, I think it's not loading, but Money Control is the site, guys, or just Google it, brokerage house reports, and you will find many tabs to read. See, so just go on these sites, spend some time and read about the big brokerage house reports and what they are saying. And then after all doing all this research, start pumping money when you are confident, and keep learning day by day how stock market behaves, and how stock market will surprise you at every moment. And then keep investing your money, grow your capital, and slowly and steadily make your investment so big that you won't have to rely on your job or whatever work you do in the near future, and the investments that you had made in the past would give you enough returns to live a lavish and happy life of whatever desires that you have desired would be fulfilled with that money, and then you will live a happy and peaceful life ahead. So that was it for today, guys, and I promise that I will be back with many more stuff. There are many more topics which I have researched upon in the recent times. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day.